Hello students, how are you? Hope you are staying safe at your home. So in the previous video session we have discussed about the levels of management. There are basically three levels of management: top level, middle level, lower level. And the last one is platform area, which we included into the non-managerial levels. In today's video session we will discuss about the various functions of management, which is also known as process of management. So these are the functions of management, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. It is also known as the process of management. What we call it as? We call it as process of management. So process of management includes 5 steps. First step is planning, second step is organizing, third step is staffing, fourth is directing, and fifth one is controlling. So let's start with the first function of management, or the first step of the process of management, that is planning. So planning is thinking in advance what to do, how to do, when to do and by whom it must be done. यानी कि पहले से ही ये सोच करके रखना कि आने वाले समय में हमें क्या करना है, कब करना है, कैसे करना है और वो काम किसके द्वारा होगा. That what we call it as a planning. So planning bridges the gap between where we are and where we want to reach in the future. Planning bridges the gap between where we are and where we want to reach in the future. So planning is always done for the future, so we can say that planning is futuristic. Planning is never done for the past. Planning is never done for the past. Planning is always done for the future. So planning is futuristic. So second, after doing the planning, we will move to the organizing. In organizing, what we will do, we will formulate the organizational structure. Like what are the various jobs, what are the various duties, what are the various responsibilities are to be performed in the organization. So in organization, we will start organizing the resources, whether it is a physical resources or whether it is the financial resources. So in this, we will start assembling the resources. In plan organizing, we also discussed about the level of authority, the level of responsibility and the level of accountability, which is to be dispersed in the organization. That second function of management is organizing, and it is also known as the second step in the process of management. Third one comes staffing. Staffing is what? Staffing is placing the right person at the right job and seeing that they are doing the right work at the right time or not. Staffing means placing the right person at the right job and seeing that they are doing the right work on a right time or not. So staffing has 3 elements. The first one is recruitment, second one is selection, and third one is training and development. So in staffing, what we will do, first of all, we will invite the candidates to come and apply for the job. After receiving application, we will scrutinize the candidates and we will select the best candidates. After selecting the best candidate, we will send them for the training and development. So that is, staffing means we have to place the right person at the right job, because two organizations can have same financial resources, same physical resources, but they can't have a same human resource, and human resource is the only element which makes our organization different from that of another. Next one after staffing comes directing. It is the fourth step in the process of management. So till now we have worked, till now we have done only with the help of paperwork. We haven't performed any action. In directing, we will come into the action. Directing initiates action because now we have select the employees, we have trained them, we have developed them. Now we will direct them that how they will pursue in the organization, how they will perform in the organization. So directing initiates action. So in directing, there are basically 4 elements: supervision, leadership, communication and fourth one is that is first one supervision, leadership, communication, and the fourth one and motivation. So 4 elements are that is communication, supervision, motivation, and leadership. So with the help of those 4 elements, we are able to direct our employees. After that, we will control them. So that our actual performance can be with the same level of planned performance. यानी कि जो हमने प्लानिंग में टारगेट सेट करा था, the target we have set in the planning, now we have to make that clear, we have to make it confident that our actual performance should not mismatch with the planned performance. So in controlling, we tries to, we can say, maintain the balance between actual performance and planned performance so that there can be minimum differences, minimum deviations in the organization. So it is the 5th step in the process of management, or it is the 5th function of the management. So these are the 5 functions of management. In next topic we will discuss about coordination. So next one is coordination. Coordination is the process through which harmony is established among different activities of the organization. The coordination क्या है? Coordination is the process through which we will harmonize the various activities of the organization so that organizational goal, organizational objective can be easily achieved. So synchronization means, that is, harmony means that we have to make the balance. यानी कि हम बोलते हैं तालमेल होनी चाहिए between the various activities of the organization so that the organization goal can be easily achieved. So there are some points which shows the importance of the coordination. First one is coordination integrate group efforts. There are number of groups which are attached in the organization. All are working. So coordination tries to integrate the efforts of all those groups. Next, coordination ensures unity of action. Coordination ये ensure करता है, coordination ensures that all the actions are performed in one common direction, one single direction. Coordination is a continuous process. Coordination is not a one-time process, it is a continuous process. आप कभी किस एक्टिविटी को कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहे हो, कभी सेकंड एक्टिविटी को कर रहे हो, कभी थर्ड एक्टिविटी को कर रहे हो. On one point you are coordinating production activities, on another hand you are coordinating purchase activities, on the third hand you are coordinating sales activities. So coordination is not a one-time process, coordination is a continuous process. Coordination is an all-pervasive function. Coordination is an all-pervasive मतलब क्या है? Universal. ये नहीं है कि coordination सिर्फ business organizations में ही लग सकता है. Coordination is required everywhere, even in our daily life. Whether it is a, we can say that, profit-making organization or whether it is a non-profit-making organization, coordination is required everywhere. Coordination is required in all the functions of management. Coordination is required at all the levels of management. Next, coordination is the responsibility of all managers. Coordination is not a responsibility of a top level management. Coordination is the responsibility of top level managers. Coordination is the responsibility of MD, chairman, vice chairman, board of directors, all of them. Coordination is the responsibility of middle level managers, production manager, assistant production manager, assistant sales manager. हर एक की क्या है? Coordination responsibility. Coordination is the responsibility of lower level managers. So यानी कि जो लोअर लेवल पे काम कर रहे हैं, सुपरवाइजर्स हैं, सुपरिटेंडेंट्स हैं, फोरमैन्स हैं, जूनियर इंजीनियर्स हैं, तो कोऑर्डिनेशन उनकी भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. तो कोऑर्डिनेशन इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ ऑल द मैनेजर्स, वेदर दे आर वर्किंग एट द टॉप लेवल, मिडल लेवल और लोअर लेवल. Coordination is a deliberate function. Deliberate means intentionally created. Coordination never created automatically. It has to be created intentionally so that organization goal can be easily achieved. So this is the topic in which we have discussed the definition of coordination and the importance of coordination. So please watch this video very carefully, and if you have any query, I will sort out your queries in tomorrow's Google Meet session. Thanks and have a nice day.